Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you exactly how to start affiliate marketing in 2019 because that's what's coming out now for 100% free. So with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I put a video out. So I don't like to mess around for too long, so let's get straight to the point. So the very first thing that you want to do when you start affiliate marketing is you want to sign up to Amazon Associates. That is the easiest way to do it. When you're just starting out, you're a beginner, I would highly suggest that you start with Amazon Associates, okay? So you sign up to Amazon Associates, that's their affiliate program, so you just go on there, it's 100% free, you get registered in that, and there's not much more to it. You just follow the steps, it's quite simple, so just get through that. Once you've done that, you want to find a product that you can review. I'm sure there are some products that you have lying around your house that you have on Amazon. If you do not, there is still a way to do this. You can also find some pictures, but I highly suggest that if you have a product at home that you've bought from Amazon, well, that's available on Amazon, I highly suggest that you go for that product, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to do a review video, so you don't have to show your face because a lot of people don't want to do this. You don't have to show your face, you just have to show the product, okay? So if I'm reviewing this glass, for example, then I just have it, so I just, it's very simple. So since you've signed up to Amazon, you have the link for that, and so you just create a review video. You say what's good about it, and just inspire yourself from other YouTube videos. If they're reviewing the same product, because chances are your product has a review online, and you just inspire yourself. Don't do the exact same thing because you know what you're talking about, but find the points that you really need to make that they made and do them, and also make some points that you feel they didn't make and you make them as well. So you just record yourself, you show everything about what's amazing about this camera, this glass, anything like that, and you are going to upload the video to YouTube. And in the description of that video, you are going to post the affiliate link from Amazon. So the affiliate link, once you've signed up to Amazon Associates, it's going to be very simple. There's just like you're going to have to type in the name of your product, and you go on click link, and then you have the link. And I suggest you click that button that says shorten link because it's going to give you a shorter link and it looks way more professional. And in the description you give the title and all these things, but on the top of the description what you say is to get this glass, to get these headphones, to get anything, whatever you're talking about on Amazon, click here and you put that link. Every time somebody clicks on that link, you will get a commission. So what's great about this is if you create a review video, people who type in review on YouTube, they have buyer's intent. So there's a good chance that some people are going to click on that link and buy from you. The other amazing thing that you have with Amazon is they have a 24-hour cookie. So if somebody clicks on your link and then they just click off Amazon and then they come back less than 24 hours later and they buy either what you have a video about or something completely different, it can be a fridge for example, then you get a commission from that fridge, which is way more than probably a glass or a pair of headphones. And maybe it's another pair of headphones that you've never talked about as well. So that's what's amazing about Amazon. And if you're just starting out, I believe that Amazon is the best way to get started. And you can make quite a lot of money. There are some people that are making a ton of money just doing Amazon affiliate marketing. So even though that's a beginner kind of way, some people are making a killing and are making like hundreds of thousands every month. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss a video out, because I put content out 7 days a week and every week. So with that being said, also don't forget to leave me a comment, because I really appreciate all the comments. I always respond. So please do that, and if you have any questions, put them in the description and I'll be sure to answer them as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.